What do you think of my new friend? Big brain, big brain. So, welcome to Your Show. My name is Ginge, or again, you can call me Consultant Ginge. So last week, Bongo and I were building a very rural house for a beautiful Khmer woman. She's happy. Week before that, we're showing you some more higher priced properties. This week is going to be some cheaper ones that are more on my level, ones that are more affordable for those of us that are coming here that want to have that extra leftover money and not pay almost the same rent as you would in some parts of your home country. So, I'm at Shell. I'm going to start the day. Bella and I are going to be doing these. So, enjoy the videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want. Contact me personally on outyourshell@gmail.com or Facebook and Instagram. Lovely. Let's go see some property, shall we? Caramel macchiato. So with this property, there are multiple units to rent. It's very new. Look, they're still putting things inside, but they have already got CCTV that's working. So nice place. So welcome back to Your Shell. Let's show you the next property. So we're back with Bella and Tom. So it's just today. They brought to the first location a nice one bedroom, and it's newly built, so we're getting our furniture in, some cooking stove, good kitchen space as we come in. Again, very new, very clean. We got a nice white tiled bathroom, toilet. I won't show you how to use this, you know. Wi-Fi is already in the room, which is good. Then you get into your bedroom. So this bedroom, like that other property, is right next door to where we were before. Nice big bedroom, wardrobes, mirror, and a balcony. So, again, you're waking up, opening your curtains, let that fresh air in, and enjoy that Siem Reap sunrise sunset. If you haven't seen a Siem Reap sunrise, beautiful. The orange and pink sunsets. So again, beautiful space, AC obviously, electricity, many plug sockets. This place is very new, so this is an untouched apartment. One bedroom with everything you need. This is something I would take as well. You have your window seat, chair, put some nice cushions down, open up the blinds. And again, be able to relax. It's very nice, very nice. So let's find out some details about this property, shall we? So what's the price of this one per month?
This price 250.
250, okay. So for a lot of us that are moving to Siem Reap with a budget, 250, and electric, water?
Electric water around 25 cents per kilowatt, right?
Nice,
Yes.
nice, okay, good.
Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is included.
Nice, nice. Again, it's very central to Siem Reap, so this is a place where you can walk everywhere. You don't need a motorbike, because I know some people don't like driving on the road. So $250 a month to be in the center, everything you need. The kitchen space is new, it's big. You have a lot of countertop space. They're going to be giving some more things like the cooking stove, like some furniture, some tables, and the fan, of course. It gets hot here in Siem Reap. So if you would like the property, again, Bella's contacts are down below. You can contact me.
Yes.
Bella's helping a lot, looking for your properties where you want to live. So make sure we get in a grab a few. Lovely. Okay. Arkoun, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Come out, Shell. Contact us. Find Simplistic Happiness. Bye. Bye.
Okay.